Hello, it's Valentine and we are so excited. We all know that true love is knowing that someone loves you and is willing to give the best. And at ONYX Global Business Investments Limited, we have decided to make this Valentine a memorable and a special one for you and that person you hold so dear. So while you are still buzzing and enjoying the referral of Valentine, we'll be giving out some amazing discounts on all our estates. For instance, Ocean Breeze is one of the estates that will be having some of these discounts. Ocean Breeze Estates shares some amazing landmarks and it's just 5 minutes walk to the lagoon. Imagine spending Valentine or your next Valentine in an ocean and enjoying the breeze of the lagoon. That is not all. Other estates like ONYX Courts, BLISS Park, Castle Royale, and to mention but a few, will also be enjoying this price slash only for this Valentine. Information on our promos and other amazing incentives, you can call the number below the caption of this video